a man accused of killing his girlfriend and then eating her organs was back in court today. Joseph Oberhansley is accused of murdering his former girlfriend, Tammy Jo Blanton, last year in Jeffersonville. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff tells us what happened today.
Defense attorneys for Joseph Oberhansley say they want more access to the evidence against their client, but prosecutors say they're giving all the access that is required of them.
All these charges are false against me. I should be released today.
Joseph Oberhansley made several outbursts in court demanding his release. He is accused of killing 46-year-old Tammy Jo Blanton in September, then dismembering her body and eating parts of her organs. Jeffersonville police say he confessed, and now the defense wants the detective's handwritten notes.
He may be thinking this is a theory of the case. He excludes other things that don't fit his theory. And there's, that's just the way we filter information, and it's real important to go back to the basic notes and see what's there.
Oberhansley's defense attorney, Mike McDaniel, also wants to be notified when evidence is destroyed in the DNA testing process and wants to be able to observe the testing. McDaniel once represented another Indiana man in a high-profile murder case.
If you ever hear of David Cam, you ask me why I don't trust the state, that's the best answer I can give you.
Clark County prosecutor Jeremy Mull is opposing both motions. He says handwritten notes and the detective's thought processes are protected by law, and he believes the DNA testing motion is meant to create an opening to appeal the verdict or suppress evidence.
There's always a greater responsibility or a greater possibility that someone may go in and test an item, and as they're testing it, it's used up, and then all of a sudden the state's violated some order, and then they would use that as a reason to try to keep the test results out.
Now, the judge did not issue a ruling today on those motions regarding the evidence. Arguments on the bond and the change of venue will also be made at a later date. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
Oberhansley's next court date has not yet been set. Now, as you might remember, back in 1998, Oberhansley was convicted in Utah of killing his then 17-year-old girlfriend and shooting his mother. He was released back in